Hello gang, hello friends, hello gang friends. Welcome back. Thanks for being here today. We have another giveaway today. I'm too good to you. I have been sent the happy 4th anniversary. I'm just reading the label. I've been sent the 4th anniversary box from Vettsy store. And you are going to be able to win one of these for yourself. Details will follow. So we're going to open it all up, have a look at everything. Oh, this that was in it smelt amazing. The whole box smelt really nice, and I couldn't figure out what it was. And then, it was that. It's lovely. So I'll open everything up and we can have an ogle at it. There's stuff in there as well. It's very exciting. And then I'm going to do a quick, just a quick one nail, super quick, quickest nail design ever. I did want to do a full set using the stuff in this box, but I wanted to get the video out with the giveaway soon because their box will, I'm presuming it's like a limited edition or something. So I wanted you to see it whilst it was still on the website, so you could buy it. So I'm kind of rushing to get the video done. Oh, these crystals, love them, so sparkly. Oh, they're nice and clear as well. Do you know what I mean? Good quality is what I mean. Oh, and I also will be announcing the winner of the last giveaway that was for Colourful July. I'll announce that in a sec as well. Lots of embellishments in this box, which I love. I love little bits and doodads that you can stick on. Oh man, these are so sparkly. I have to take it out. Look at, it's stunning. I love that. It's big and it is pointy backed, but it would work. It's doable. Oh, it's just so shiny. Isn't nail stuff the best? I mean, look at these. They're stunning. Tiny little crystally, sparkly, blingy. Nail stuff's the best. Whatever job role in the world exists, I don't think the stuffs is better than the nail world stuffs. Just colours and hollow and glitter, and look at these. These give me Leo in Romeo and Juliet vibes. Definitely going to do something with those. I love that. Little crosses, there's little hearts in there. Yeah, definitely gives me those vibes. And a chain for not a necklace, but for nails, obviously. It's a nail stuff. And a magnet, because there is a magnetic polish in this box, which is bananas. We'll have a look at it. Oh, and look, Hello Kitty, which is weird because we did a Hello Kitty video the other day. Little 3D molds, and this pot of glitter, which is huge, this pot, and it's got a whole bunch of things in it. It's got little stars, little leaves, dots, small bits of glitter, iridescent hexagons, and all the good stuffs. Oh, it's so pretty. It's sunny today, so I'm having a enjoying the pretty things moment. When it's raining, I want to see all the black stuff. But when it's summer, look at this with little butterflies in. So cute. When it's all sunny and nice, I like the girly stuff. Then we have some more embellishments, butterflies, flowers. There's some pearls in there, some little crystals. There's caviar beads in there as well. So you could do a whole bling deal with that. Oh, speaking of which, I've been sent some stuff from Selena Ryden, and I cannot wait to show you. It's amazing. I've got so many videos, so many things that I need to film. I've got some catching up to do because I was a little tiny bit slack during Wimbledon. That's a lie. I wasn't slack. It was only yesterday when it was the final, and I thought, I'm not doing anything. No work. These are amazing. Little gold flaky leaves. Really shiny. And then this is for if you're doing après type nails, you know, where you do the press-ons. It's a really thick, solid, you could probably sculpt like little objects and things with it as well, mold things. But you put that as the adhesive for putting press-ons on, but only press-ons that have been painted. You can't cure press-ons on when they've already got paint on them because the light won't penetrate through it. This colour, Sun's Out, is nearly swore, is bananas. Try not to swear when they're videos for companies because I don't know how they feel about it. And then this is a solid gel polish, nice sparkly one. It's not solid like that other gel we just looked at. It's more creamy, thick and creamy. Oh, this one's amazing. Oh God, I get so excited looking at this stuff. It just makes me so happy. How gorgeous is that colour? Oh, wow. It makes me want to taste it. Don't taste it. It's not edible, but it looks delicious, doesn't it? Looks like it would taste good if it was a food. Moonlight gel. We're going to use this today. This is insane. I love this colour. It's like the sea on a nice sunny day. Let me look out the window. Hang on. That's exactly what the sea looks like right now. Not as sparkly though. And then we have this Unicorn Cat Eye, which is it's good. Look at this. We're going to use the magnet that came in the box as well. Holy moly. Look at it. It's alive. Oh, it's so nice. So pretty. Oh, I so need to do a full set using the stuff from this box, but I just wanted to hurry up and get the video out. And I missed yesterday because the final was on, and I wait a whole year for the final of Wimbledon, so I wasn't going to do any work. Then we have a nail brush cleaner, liquid. It's quite jelly, that. I tried it. Works very well. This brush is a big square brush, and it's nice and soft, and I use it in this video actually, but I really like the size of it and the flexibility of it. So that's everything out of its padding and everything that it came in. And if you want to get your hands on this box for free, then here's how you enter. You need to follow me and Vettsy on Instagram. I'll put the links in the description of this video. And then you need to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and comment on this video letting me know that you want to win, so I know your name to enter you into it. So follow them and me on Instagram. Links will be in the description. Like, subscribe, and comment on this channel, and then you're in with a chance to win. So good luck, and I will announce the winner soon. Oh, and we've got to announce the winner for the other one, which we'll do in a sec because now I'm running behind. I've put some blue and some sort of sandy beige nude colour down, and I'm doing a really rough ombre, not worrying too much about it, and I'm only doing one coat. And now we're going to take the Vettsy brush and the Moonlight gel. Oh, it's so beautiful. And I'm going to apply it on the blue section. I have only done one coat of the ombre because it looks like I'm working quickly. Looks like it's sped up, but it's not. I was working quickly because I was in a rush. So we've popped that over the blue section. I'm going to bring it down, just feather it onto the sandy section because we don't want it to be too compact there. And then we're going to take some white and we're going to just do some uneven, not perfect U shapes, sort of all going in a certain direction. And then we'll do a W at the bottom here. And then before curing, I'm going to take the ombre brush and just feather out the white line. So feather it up, and then the bit that's been feathered up, I'll feather the end of that up even more. So I'll feather out the feathered out bit, and that's going to be our waves. It's like it's like a bird's eye view of the sea. I wish I'd have used like all the products in the box, but I'm going to say it again. I just wanted to get this video out to share it with you sooner rather than later. And I thought if I can only use one thing from the box, I wanted to use this Moonlight sparkly gel. So again, with these other lines, just feathering it out, and you see it does look a bit streaky. But then when we feather that bit out, you just keep going over that bit and it will fade out as opposed to being streaky lines. But where I'm putting the brush in the lines, I'm going kind of halfway inside the white line. You don't want to go beyond the white line, because then you'll lose the you'll lose the line. If you go beyond it, you'll just spread the whole thing. So you want to sort of put your brush into just halfway into the line and then pull it back, and then just keep sort of wiggling around here, or just doing little strokes to try and get rid of the streakiness, so it's more of a fade. And then we're going to cure it and add a palm tree. It probably would have made more sense to do the, let's call them the waves, the first wave at the bottom of the nail, and then do the little fade it back bit, and then do the next one, so that you're not kind of trying to avoid other bits whilst you're doing each one. But it didn't pose an issue really. Okay, breathe. Whew. And then the palm tree, it's just a palm tree, isn't it? A big line, and then these long arms, the fronds, we'll do two either side, and then that little one in the middle at the top, because that's at the back, so it wouldn't show the full length of the frond, because it's bending back round behind the rest of them. And then I'm adding a little bit more product to this bit here, and then just wisping down, but making sure you are wisping sort of a curve but going downwards, although apart from that bit I was doing, as I said, that was not going downwards. These are going up. But on the bottom side, on the underside of the fronds, you want to bring it downwards. You want everything to come out and down, because they're leaves, they're hanging, and gravity exists. There we go. And then a few on the little one at the back. Cure it. And I wanted to see what it looked like matte. I don't know why. So we're doing it matte, but then I will shiny again. I think I put the flash on in a sec. I just thought that shimmer would look really nice in matte, and it does. But it's glitter, so we're gonna shiny top it as well. And I love the way the first wave at the bottom, at the tip of the nail, it does look like there's water over the sand where you've got the sea foam, but then, that's what I think anyway. The winners of the last giveaway are, in first place, winning the anniversary box of Colourful July, is Blautera Barb from Canada. And the punk box is Therese Donahue. Message me on Instagram. We'll sort out getting your prizes to you. Congratulations. Thank you to everyone for entering. To enter this giveaway, the details are in the description. Thank you for being here. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.